This video is an introduction to the wiring diagrams pages and how to just go around the different pages when making wiring diagrams. This first page is your list view of your diagrams, where you can see all the diagrams you've created. Along the top are the tasks you can perform. You can create a new diagram. All you need to do is make a name for the diagram. You can make a new folder. And a folder, you can see here we have a folder right there called Sample Customer. And we'll talk about that a little bit more later. And you can watch this video again right at the top here to learn again how to work with these wiring diagrams. So in the main area here are your list of diagrams. Now when you first create an account, you're automatically given these sample diagrams as you see here. And you also see we have a folder here with your sample customer. When you see the building in the upper corner of one of your folders, that means this is a folder that was made from creating a customer. Customers are a whole different video set, but just so you know, if you have a folder that has the building, it was made through a customer. When you drop a floor plan or when you drop a wiring diagram onto a floor plan, they automatically get copied into this folder. So that's what this folder is for. Folders that don't have the building can be used just for a general organization of your wiring diagrams. So on this page you can click on a diagram, and that takes you to the diagram's details page, where you have a nice picture of the diagram. In this case we just have a network closet with the switches and where they're all going to. And you also have a list of all the parts along the bottom and how many of those parts are in each. Clicking the back arrow in the upper left hand corner takes you back to the list view. So we'll go into this other one here. Here we have a sample double door. And again, you can see we have a nice picture of the diagram, everything that's on it, and a part list with quantity. Now along the top you have the name and a description, which can be clicked here to change the name and description. You can edit that all you want. You can export this diagram as a PDF, so it exports it as a picture followed by your part list. So a PDF, page 1 is the picture, page 2 is your part list. You can make a duplicate, so if you want to make another diagram very similar to this diagram, you can make a duplicate. All it asks you to is give it a new title. So you give it a new name, it'll make a copy of it, and you can then go and change it however you want. You can edit the diagram, which takes you into the diagram editor. I'll show you that in a second. You can obsolete this diagram. Obsoleting means you are not allowing it to be used in customer floor plans again. So you can keep the diagram if you want to make it, if you want to take it out of obsolescence later on, you can. If you want to make a new duplicate later on, you can. But by making it obsolete, it just can't be added to customers. Or you can completely delete it if you want. So I'll quickly show you here the editing screen. I'm not going to go over it too much in details, but here's the diagram editor. It loads very quickly, and this is where you can grab, move things around. You can add parts, add floor plans, all that's here. And that's another video going over that. So again, you have the diagram list page with all of your diagrams to choose from. In the upper right hand corner is a button to toggle it into more of a list view, or a grid view if you like. This is kind of the grid view. Again, clicking on a diagram takes you to the diagram details page, and then clicking on edit diagram takes you to the editor.